To view, update, or create container data required for terminal entry under a storage vessel, such as vessel code TRAN, navigate to the GateOps menu and select Pre-Advice List. To begin querying the system, select a ship call number SCN from the filter dropdown and click Refresh to load all existing container records associated with that storage vessel. The results can be filtered using 3 status options: All to view all containers for the vessel, In Progress to see containers that have not yet entered the terminal, and Close to display containers that have successfully entered the terminal. As long as no gate appointment has been created yet, you can click Delete to remove a container record from the system entirely. To create a new container record manually, click the Insert button and specify the number of containers you wish to add, which prompts the system to insert empty rows into the grid. For rail-based terminal entries, Rail In, ensure that Trans Type In is set to Rail. Train User Voyage In is completed as a mandatory field. And the Rail In mode is adjusted depending on whether the container is a storage import or a storage export. Alternatively, for containers entering the terminal by truck to be loaded onto a train truck in rail out, the trans type out must be set to rail, and the trans user voyage out field is mandatory. From there, fill in the remaining mandatory fields highlighted with bold headers. You can save time by using the shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste data from an existing record. Alternatively, if you have an external Excel file containing container information, you can use the bulk upload feature by clicking Excel Import. Simply select the appropriate import template, browse to the Excel file located on your PC. Click Next to proceed through the system's validation steps, and hit OK to load the validated data onto the screen. Once the imported data populates the grid, click Save to permanently store the new records in the database. Once the pre-advice is registered successfully, you can inquire about the list of containers to be discharged by navigating to the RailOps menu and selecting Rail Discharging List. Input the specific train voyage and click Refresh to display all relevant containers in the grid. From here, you can assign each container's position on the train, provided that the train composition has already been created. To do this, right-click on a record to select the appropriate wagon ID, well label, and container position, and then click Save to commit the details. For outbound operations, use the rail loading list to view the containers scheduled to be loaded onto the train. To confirm that the containers are ready for loading, check the Apply box for the desired records and click the Verified button to update their status in the system.